I was having this conversation with this guy, and he was like, the problem is it's too many women promoting to other women how if one relationship don't work with a guy, you move on to the next one. Okay, Ann? Because if you want her, say that. And if you don't want her, say that louder. Because one thing the girl's gonna do, we're gonna look out for the girls. Girl, he got you looking crazy. Come on, let's go get another one.
That's you run out of ones to get. You don't come to the net to complain about it.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy, O'Shea Duke Jackson, back at it again with another episode of The Celebrity Jump.
And we got that boy O'Shea Duke Jackson. Y'all go subscribe to that boy. Shut up, boy, son, Lord. You hear me? Look into the video, man.
Celebrities have a hard life, guys. I know we believe that, they get all the women and free things and make a lot of money. And of course, all of those things can be true. They really can. But just from being on YouTube and having the benefit to kind of interact with some of these people in real life, I can tell you, man, this is not an easy thing to do. Being a celebrity is not an easy thing to do. First of all, you have what I call the A-man corner in the background. These are the people that no matter how stupid you are, they are going to support you, okay? Because, hey, they want to be close to you. They'll end up exposing you later. So it inflates your ego 100%. Your ego is completely inflated. You believe that you are larger than life. You believe this, you believe that, which is really not true, but you're going to believe it. All right. Secondarily, you're around people, like I said, who you think care about you, and then they don't. Very few people will, when you have money in these industries, very few people will criticize you that are close to you. You might get people who don't know you criticizing you, but in your circle, nobody will tell you the truth. So, when you come across the ladies, all of a sudden you're extra funny. They're laughing at all of your jokes. And you can think because it's you in this body, you've worked hard all your life, you see the value in you, but they have to make you believe that they see that same value in you. Because you remember when you were broke, or you remember when you didn't have anything. So when they like you, you think that it is mainly because of that. Unfortunately, that is not really the case. You're around a lot of people who really hate you and just want to use you and will tell you anything to get what they want from you. This is what Tyrese experienced with Samantha Lee Gibson. Now, of course, most celebrities, if they're smart, they will try to date somebody in the industry. Now, of course, it probably doesn't really work out because, the women might not be as feminine as the guy would like, and, they don't have a lot of time for these people. So it kind of doesn't work out. But here's the beautiful thing. At least you both got something to lose, right? At least you both have something to lose, right? Absolutely. It is better if you both have something to lose. What then becomes the problem? When only you have something to lose. So then Tyrese gets married to Samantha Lee Gibson, somebody I would probably feel is a no talent in comparison to him. She has nothing to give him, even the girl he's with now, nothing to give him, probably doesn't have her own money, none of that. He marries this chick. Why, I don't know.
Wait, hold up. Is that the dating coach? Wait, he said Samantha Lee. Is that the dating coach? Let me see.
Tyrese gets married to Samantha Lee Gibson, somebody I would probably feel is a no talent in comparison to him. She has nothing to give him, even the girl he's with now.
Wait,
nothing
we gotta
to
check
him,
something out. We gotta check something. We're gonna come back to this. Cause I'm trying to see if this is dating coach. So, cause I follow her because she do kind of the same content I do. Oh my God, that's her. This is her. Bro. How is she out here giving dating advice when she doing stuff like this? I actually cause I was following her page. Obviously, because I want to study content creators who do what I do. She even selling books on relationships. This is confusing. Okay, hold on. So this was Tyrese's ex-wife. And she sells relationship advice. Bro, we gotta have a talk about this, man. We gotta have a talk about this, man. Samantha, I'm gonna have to get Samantha on the show, man. I'm gonna have to get Samantha. We gotta talk, Miss Samantha. Because like, I really supported you in your channel, like what you doing. No lie. But man, bro, I'm upset, bro. Actually, because if you look at some of my videos, I got a lot of her clips playing before the video start. I'm gonna have to stop putting them up now. Man. I thought she was legit, man.
No, probably doesn't have her own money. None of that. He marries this chick. Why, I don't know. Gives her a baby. The guy goes out to go do some work somewhere. On the way, this is how much she cares about him. While the man is out there working, trying to take care of her, the lady says, I want a divorce. I mean, you just, you can't make this up. The guy is supposed to be focused. Imagine this, you guys have kids, some of you guys, you're married. Don't you hate when you're out trying to do some work, trying to earn, and then somebody stresses you, somebody's calling you, somebody's bothering you? She doesn't even care that this man is someplace trying to do some work. You're trying to divorce the guy. That's how much you care about the guy. The man is trying to fly home now, breaking his previous obligation, whatever he was supposed to be doing, trying to convince you not to leave. You leave anyway. Want to know what you said? Well, my friends told me to do it. Okay? Then you go on YouTube, start making red pill videos. That's just crazy, right? Samantha Lee Gibson is one of the most popular female red pill content creators out there right now. You would think that she's a big time fan of Kevin Samuels. Hold your roll. No, she's just using those talking points to make some money. Doing pretty good. Tyrese says she might be making as much as $20,000 or $25,000 a month. How does she show Tyrese that she loves him? By doing this. Hey, your child support is this amount of money. Okay? $11,000 a month. Want to know what else? Your lawyer fees have been $1 million. The whole time she's on there talking about.
Man, she a whole fraud, bro. I knew it was something up with her because I was looking. I said, bro, this is a very attractive. I'm like, this is a very attractive woman. Why is she single? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm like, she giving out all this advice on like how, you know what I'm saying, how to be a good woman and all of this. But I'm like, I'm thinking to myself like, okay, since you're this type of woman, why are you single? Like, this was in my head. I'm like, why are you single? Come to find out, this is Tyrese's ex-wife. No, now, I've been knowing about the Tyrese situation, but I didn't know that was his ex-wife. That is crazy. And y'all out here buying her books? She got, like, books on dating. Y'all better not be buying no books from nobody who don't even live it. I'm doing relationship advice. Bro, I've been married for... I've been married for 3 years now, but me and my wife, we've been together for 6 years, going on 7, almost busting a decade and 4 more years. So I'm giving advice on like me having a somewhat kind of successful relationship, but she literally is a fraud, and she's giving advice. Bro, I'm gonna make a whole video on her now. Now I'm really mad because she's a fraud, bro. Bro, that's really messing up the community, bro. I really was supporting her, bro. You feel me? I'm thinking she's like an upstanding woman, you know what I'm saying?
You men don't need to pay child support, all of this, still kept the man's last name. He said, listen, if you really want to work this out with me and be on good terms, drop all the child support. Drop all. She won't do it. Okay? So, what does he do? Oh yeah, he's getting revenge. Okay, now he goes to Dubai on a lavish vacation, right? And he refuses to pay that $10,000 a month. He said he ain't got it. I don't got it. Whenever the child support order came in, he said, oops, yep, my income has dropped drastically. Okay, so he goes to Dubai, have this great vacation with Zelle. Then they go to Egypt at the same time. What is her ass doing? At home broke. Trying to basically say, well, look, he's out there having fun. Where's my money for child support? Well, guess what? He said, I ain't got it. This trip cost me next to nothing, right? Next to nothing. Like, listen, I'm only going to give you $5,000 a month. You want that $5,000 a month to take care of my daughter? You don't want me in your life? That's what you're going to get. But you're not going to get nothing else. And now he's with his girlfriend doing whatever he needs to do. And you know what? I don't blame him. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. Because you know why? The lady even admitted that she left the guy for no reason. She used that man. And I hate to see so many men, even though, yeah, he made a bad decision, but men who want to be in their kids' life, men who want to be husbands. And let me tell you, ladies, something. Do you know how hard it is to take care of women? Do you really know how difficult that is to take care of women? It is not easy. Looking after women and kids, it is not easy. It is the hardest thing that a man can do. To be responsible every day and take on that particular challenge. It is hard. And you have these men that step up to the plate and say, you know what? I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm not afraid to do it. I'll be a man and do it. This is what these men are saying. I'll do it. I'm not afraid to do it. I'll do it. You hear these men saying that. What is their response for that? Stuff like this, which what? Doesn't make any sense at all. I don't get it. I don't. I really don't. Why? I don't get it. I don't, family. But it happens. It happens a lot, all the time. Don't get it. Doesn't make sense to me. But hey, I guess it doesn't need to make sense. Does it? Nope, it doesn't. It is ridiculous. It is crazy. And it is insane. And these guys get treated like this. Then these ladies, many of them, after they do this, what kind of guys do you even get with? Bums. Guys that don't have anything. Guys don't care about you. It's not all the time, but it's a lot. Because such as the person you are is what you attract. I don't blame them one bit. Enjoy yourself, good brother. You tried. Made the right mistake, but you tried. So guys, what do you think? It's your boy, O'Shea Duke Jackson, back at it again with another episode of The Celebrity Junk. I appreciate you for all you just heard the bell. We're out.
Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Like Samantha Lee and y'all out supporting. It's crazy that y'all supporting her. She's a whole fraud, bro. Like, that's wild, bro. When he said, I said, man, I know that name sound familiar, but I knew something was up with her because I was listening to her video. I'm like, bro, some fraudulent. I just had a feeling like, and I can't stand when people do stuff like that because I feel like they don't care nothing about their audience. I would not be sitting up here doing like relationship type content if I did not have any success in it. That's like me starting a channel on how to become a millionaire in 30 days or something like that when I've never became a millionaire. If I did that, y'all would call me a fraud, right? So how is she selling content? She's selling, wait, man, let's go look. I'm still on her page, so let me go to her bio. I could have sworn I saw her selling something. Look, she got a whole book. Ebook for men. Like, you're selling stuff when you don't even live this life. You're not even successful on this journey. Trust God. Love people. We just saw what you've done to Tyrese, bro. We just saw what you've done to him. And you talking about chase God, love people, and sign up for your ebook? Pay money? Is it? Well, I hope it's for free. But you should not be giving no info like this when you're not even successful in that area, bro. That's fraud. You're a fraud, Samantha Lee. You are a fraud, bro. That's crazy, but hey, be safe out there, King. See you guys next video. Let's get it.